Hello everybody, Hubert is here, and in this video I will show you how to apply presets into your images in the Adobe Lightroom. So in this short video I will basically show you how to apply presets. Basically at the beginning this image looked like that. So as you can tell, this image doesn't actually look too good. There's literally nothing interesting in it except from the close-up on the wheel. However, the problem is that it doesn't look too interesting. However, after adding my preset and actually changing up a little bit, then I've managed to create this kind of image which looks totally different, as it looks more metallic and more interesting. So to actually make this happen, you have to go to the editing icon over here and then go to the presets, and then you have to choose the right preset which you would like to choose. So anyways, if you have enjoyed this video, please like it, share, comment my channel. Thank you for watching, and there will be a link to my Instagram page in the description down below, and please give me some kind of feedback. If you think that I can actually improve something, please tell me. I'll definitely do it, as I'm trying to make more videos for the future. And thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully see you later.